What is there to do in northern Minnesota on Christmas Eve when you're in your 50s?
And you're snowed in.
And you're snowed in, and there's 20 inches of snow coming, and there is this wonderful little substance marketed as Flarp, and it says it's noise putty. And it comes in all these wonderful colors. These are just 3 of the colors: pink, yellow, blue. But it comes in more and smells good as well. But it says you don't want to eat it. And it's noise putty. What kind of noise, you say?
Why, butthole noise.
Why? It's the kind of noise everybody likes to hear.
Yeah.
Let's see, I can't get it going real
We're going to
good.
get Jimmy over here. Come and do the dirty part.
What you do?
Because that day when he got in there, he was looking at me going, doing it real fast. And that's what he does.
You get some air work into it. Oh, there we go. Who can say that's not fun? I don't know about you, but I can get a certain amount of fun out of the Flarp. Although some people are a lot better at it than I am, because I'm not that practiced at it. Just get some air worked up into it. That's a good one.
I'll have to get on here and get some myself. We can both sit there and play with it. Hard to believe we're in our 50s.
It's like Christmas Eve. There's a blizzard outside. Can't hardly see your hand in front of your face. But as long
About 32 cans of
as you have a can of Flarp, you'll never be alone. 99 cents.
It's just like having a man in the room.
It is. It is just like having a man in a room.
It just started snowing.
Yeah. Okay.
It said it just started snowing up there.
Up where? Virginia?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah. Mystical, magical Flarp. I was recording that.